Coming up in today's show, we're going to take you through and review the Betron BN15 Bluetooth wireless headphones. So make sure you don't go anywhere because all that is coming up. Hi guys, welcome back to MMB Tech TV. If this is your first time, my name is Ryan, and if you want to keep up to date with all things tech that are affordable for the family, all you need to do is make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now, in today's show, we're going to be taking you through and reviewing the Betron BN15 wireless Bluetooth headphones, sent to us courtesy from our friends at Betron, so a big thumbs up, thank you very much. And what we're going to do today, we're going to take a look to see what's inside the box, what you get with it, and of course, more importantly, what they're like. What are they like on public transport? What are they like out and about? We've done a road test on that where I live here in Manchester. And of course, comfort, and then we're going to take you round the device themselves as well. We're going to tell you where you're going to get it from and how much you can get them for as well. So what we need to do first is have a little look inside the box to find out what you can get on the Betron BN15 Bluetooth headphones. So here we have a very well presented set of headphones, already giving a professional and high-end feel. As we move to the side of the box, you can see it's presenting you with some of the benefits of the headphones from the retractable and foldable feature of the headphones themselves. Moving on to the back, and as you can see, it mentions the key facts of the headphones from the 3.5 hours charging time, the frequency, and the 12 hours of operating time. And finally, on the side, it's mentioning some more features of the headphones from the built-in microphone, volume control, and more. So let's take a look inside the box and see what you get. The Betron BN15 headphones themselves, a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, USB Type-B cable, Betron VIP card and paperwork, and a fabric carry case. So they're the accessories that you get inside the box, but where can you get them from? Now, you can pick these up from Amazon for as little as $24.99. And of course, as always, what we'll do is we'll put links in the description below for you to go and check out when you get a chance. But what we need to do now is take a little look around the device and have a good look, a good close look at what you get with these. On the side of the headphones are the controls. You have the power and play button, volume up and down, and the facility to answer a call. Moving on to the side, you have the USB port, microphone, and auxiliary port. You have soft sponge support for the earpieces, which feel comfortable. And finally, foldable hinges to make them travelable. You've seen the features, but what about the comfort? These headphones are comfy, lightweight, and can be used by virtually anyone. The cups of the headphones just sit right around the ears. They feel incredibly lightweight, which makes a change. They feel supported enough that they don't slide off your head and actually stay in one place when you have them on. All in all, in rating of comfort, I give them a comfort rating 8 out of 10. So we've had a look inside the box and we've had a look around, but you want my opinion, these are a quality set of headphones for the price. Now, $24.99, you pick them up from Amazon. As we mentioned before, we'll put the links in the description for you to go and check out. So if you want a decent set of headphones for commuting, getting to work, or even going to the gym, or even just using them on your iPad and stuff, for $24.99, these perform at the same rate as some of the other bigger brands that are out there. So for me, they're comfortable. The bass heavy, which is how I like a lot of my stuff. So perhaps if you're not a fan of quite bass heavy music, or you don't like them bass heavy enough in your ears, then these perhaps might not be the one for you. But in comparison to the others, I think they're brilliant. They are really comfortable, they fit just perfectly around your ears, and they're not like the bigger overhead headphones that are some of them that are out there on the market at the moment. So for me, for something that you can use to transport, perhaps put in your work bags to take to work, and the fact that they're comfortable and Bluetooth as well, wireless, to me it is a win-win. So if you want to get your own set of BN15 Bluetooth headphones, all you need to do, you can head over to the Betron website, or you can go to Amazon, where all the links will be in the description below. Now, if you want us to do a review of a product that you're really interested in, is there something that you want us to road test? If there is, all you need to do is make sure you get your comments in the box below, and of course we'll have a read of them, and then maybe, you never know, we could be reviewing that product for you. Now, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do, and you can do that by clicking the round subscribe icon on the screen, or if you want to check any more of our content, you can always look at the little video on screen now, and you can of course check our videos on our channel. But thank you very much for watching. I've been Ryan, and we'll see you again for another episode of MMB Tech TV. Bye bye for now.